I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here.
When blue skies are shining, why should I hurt? I see people smiling when I'm down in the dirt. When shining.
Hey guys, it's Florence. Welcome back to my channel. You see the talking don't match the voice because I had to do a voiceover because I left my fan on and it sound atrocious. So today I'm going to be reviewing UNice hair. I love this hair. I love everything about it. Instead of just putting it on my head, I decided to show y'all me curling it with perm rods and putting it on my hair. I literally did not bleach it. It is human hair. It is 12-inch T1B color 4. It was $104 from UNice hair on Amazon. It's a 13x4 lace front human hair ombre brown wig. Brazilian Remy hair straight short bob for a woman, and it's pre-plucked with baby hair, 150 density. This hair was so easy to work with. I mean, this is the first hair that I did not bleach or did anything to. It is big hair friendly like the last one. So if you have a big hair, it's for you. If you don't, use the adjustable straps in there. It has 3 comb, 1 in the back, 2 on the side. And basically, after I curled it, I tucked some in the back of my wig so it can show like 1 loose curls on each end. And I just love the color. It went with my complexion. I love everything about this hair. If I missed anything in this voiceover, make sure you comment that down below. I'll be happy to do it. Obviously, I do like the hair because it's the second hair that UNice hair has sent me, because I just love the quality of the hair. It takes nice to heat, sweetheart. And I want to thank y'all for sending me this hair, because like, before I did this video, I wore the hair for the first time without doing a video for it, and everybody on Instagram went crazy about it. Like, oh my God, the hair in here. Love the hair. I was like, oh my gosh, I forgot to do the video. So I got y'all. So here's the video finally, guys. I'm going to show you how I achieved these beautiful bouncing curls with perm rods in my curling wand. You're going to see what I did was curl it first and then take the perm rods and roll it. I didn't put no product. There's no product. It's just like being curled. And I purchased the perm rod set from Amazon. I'll have the link in my description box as well, because it also came with a little hat thingy that you can attach a blow dryer to, and it like blow dry the whole thing. This process was just like, it was very tedious, but the turnout was beautiful. I used all color perm rods. Basically, it comes with like purple, gray, orange, red, and yellow. So towards the front, I used the smaller one, so when I combed it out, it can look more defined. So guys, with all my blah blahing going on, I'm gonna step back and watch the process. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like videos like this where I style the hair instead of just putting it on my head, let me know down below. Love you guys so much, and I will see y'all in my next video. All right. Let's get into it. Give this 50 likes and let's get started.